their junior or senior year. Most of the capstone classes have one other class at Rollins that has actually used this.
Researching in my class on the topic of American education. Moving from with our Olin Library staff to try to come up with
I'm an assistant professor in the history department. So as part of this, the timeline tool for the final project for my modern Latin America.
Just a commercial building on OBT. And you got the interior and the exterior. It's great for historic site preservation, it's obviously great for engineering and for archaeology and such. And the kids don't have an opportunity.
Instructor here at UCF. So now that I'm no longer just scrambling to put together modules, I can actually start experimenting with my classes. Caroline did a great introduction of this particular timeline tool. I use the same one. But in order to start figuring out what tools I want to use in these classes, my whole point this year is to test the limits of all of these into my classroom and work on for this particular project is a tool called WeVideo. In the context of using this online web-based video editing platform, is an undergraduate course about digital storage of different audio tracks which you can overlap, much like a lot of different video editing.
Yeah, right? I haven't made the mistakes yet of this course. You can tell me before I get into it. It's an exciting study abroad. And this is the piece that Kristen liked. This is a fully editable, like HTML window.